Hi, Brian from Sipkins Nurseries here, and I just wanted to introduce you to some of the plants we have growing on in our greenhouse. These plants are our fall program, and they start with some of the beautiful summer colors like Brown Eye Susies, and they carry on as the season goes into items like grass and millet and fall mums and ornamental kale. And these are all plants that we start here in our greenhouse starting way back in April already. And we add a few items as we come on into June, and now the plants are just starting to come on for some midsummer flavors. And so we just wanted to give you a quick preview of what was growing on here at Sipkins Nurseries.